Hey, guys, it's me again. Whoa. I got here a Yu-Gi-Oh! Premium Collection. I just took this part of the wrapper off right here. The one that says Konos, the Koniyama. And I'm going to open it. So, hold on. Got it. Starter's guide. Sorry, someone texted me. There, got it. Open. Alright, let's see what we got. Wait, first I'll let y'all read the back of it. Wait, never mind. I'll think about something else. Alright, so first we got Elementary Hero The Shining. And it literally is shining in the background. It has 2,600 attack and 21. I was going to say 21,000 defense. Ooh, number card. Number 34 Terabyte. Oh, sorry, I was thinking about Utopia, I think. 0 attack and 29,000 defense. I'm not reading the abilities, so no. Masked Hero Acid has 26,000 attack and 21,000 defense. Gravity Warrior, 21,000 attack and 1,000 defense. 2 fusions already, 1 synchro, 1 number. Not bad. Photon Weena. I mean, not Weena. Warner. 25,000 attack and 20,000 defense. One of my favorite cards. Void Ogre Dragon. But the only way to summon it is to have 1 dark tuner and 1 non-tuner monster. Level has 30,000 attack and 30,000 defense. Meteor Dragon. I think I have Meteor. We might have the other one of it. I'm not sure. And if we do, it's a fusion, I think. Meteor Dragon, 18,000 attack and 20,000 defense. Sacred Warrior, synchro, 21,000 attack, 1,000 defense. Firewing Pegasus, 20,550 and 18,000. Let me. Machinekin, 0 attack and 22,000 defense. And I was right, we got Meteor B Dragon. Only way to summon it is Fire, Red Eyes B Dragon, and Meteor Dragon. Just need Red Eyes B. And Beefy Meteor Ritual card, nice. Quick Span Knight. Wait, did I forget? Yeah. It has 35,000 attack and defense is 2,000 for Meteor Dragon B. Quick Span Knight has 1,000 attack and 800 defense. And Photon Current. Didn't Kite use this against? No, I think he did. Alright. There we go. And that's all. Bye, douchebags. Not really. Trying to clean this off. There we go. And some of these cards are going to draw, some of them aren't, and bye.